Go to your favorite browser and come to this website wallpaperflare.com. So this is the most popular websites to download 4K wallpaper for your laptop and computer. Once you're in this website, you can scroll down and search for a perfect wallpaper to download, or you can scroll up and you can use the search wallpaper box to find out a specific category or specific wallpaper. So in my case, I'm just scrolling down and let's search for wallpaper to download. Let's select this wallpaper. And here we can see the wallpaper preview. Now we have to click on download original wallpaper button. And it will be redirected to a new tab. You can just close the tab and go back to the previous tab. And again, click this download original wallpaper button. And here we can see this wallpaper supports 8K resolution. So if the wallpaper supports only 4K, you see here 4K. So this is the 8K resolution wallpaper. I'm just clicking on download wallpaper. Again, download wallpaper. And we can see the wallpaper downloaded. Going back to my file explorer, here we can see the wallpaper. Let's click on set as desktop background, and here we can see the 8K wallpaper successfully downloaded and add date. And here we can see a different wallpaper and we can see the resolution is 4K. Let's download this wallpaper also. Going back to my file explorer, and here we can see the wallpaper. Let's open properties, details, and we can see this is a 4K wallpaper.